Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever YouTube channel, Beauty Vlogs by Nimi, which is all about makeup and stuff. So this is yours truly, Neha. Okay, so let's begin the video now. Okay, so today's video is all about 9 basic types of eyeliner which I'm gonna show you, and on which a girl can rock easily, which are very simple. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so let's start finally. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna take a MAC liquid lash liner, which is my ever favorite. So I'm gonna use this today. So first one is the very basic one, which is very simple. I'm gonna tell you right now. You just need to remove the excess from it and just go on. Okay. Always start your eyeliner from the middle, so you can apparently do it from both the sides. No need to get quick, because if you're running late then you can mess it up all. Look. So this is the basic one. Okay, so the second type is the dash liner, which is very simple. Okay, let me show you. First, and when you're done with the normal eyeliner, just make an arc from the corner of the eye, from the outer corner of the eye, like this. Okay. Like this, you can see. This is a dash liner, which you can call a basic wing liner. Look. Now it's perfect. Now you just have to fill it with the another one, like this. Draw the line a little thicker so it will look classy and sassy. Drawing an eyeliner is not a big deal, you just need to practice along. So here you can see the second type of the eyeliner. Okay, so the third basic type of eyeliner is the lower lash line, which is also another simple eyeliner. Okay, let me show you. I will basically draw it from my lower lash, or you can call it as a water line of your eye. First, take a limited amount of eyeliner. You just need to join it like this. Look, like this. it will basically look like this. It actually goes with mostly saris and all. It will go with this. It looks quite cheesy and quite 90s kind of. Okay, so the fourth eyeliner type is the thick wing liner, which is my most favorite type, and which you can easily draw on your eyes. Let me show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to make an arc from this corner like this. Join the ends properly. And from the inner corner of the eye, just join to the other end like this. See, it looks like this, the thin wing liner. Okay, so now we will move on to the bold eye look, which is another very simple liner. You just need the basic. Okay, let's start. This one. Start it from the inner corner and then end to the upper corner, so make that line little thicker from the simple one, like this. Just join it to the other corner. Look, fill it properly, not then it will look thick. Voila, you're done. No wedge liner, but it's a bold liner which will go with a smoky look. Sorry. So we just need to do this. This looks so cool on me. Okay, so moving on to the another one, I'm gonna show you the thin wing liner, which is very thin actually. So I'll use this brush, which is very thin, and so because actually we are using the thinner, so we have to use this thin one. Let's start. Always, if you're drawing a thin liner, always make sure that you are drawing from the middle partition, like this. And then you can move further. Like this. Just extend it. Look, like this. How does it seem? It looks classy still. Okay, so the another one is the half wing liner, on which I'm not gonna use my whole eye to draw it, but only the line, only the half wing. I'm only gonna draw the half wing from the corner of the outer corner of my eye. You just need to make an arc like this. And you just need to join it from the middle. Just like this. See? Quick and elegant. This is nice, I guess. So moving on to the another one which I'm gonna create is the cat eye look, which is basically everyone's favorite. Let's begin. First you need to draw the line upwards like this. See, it will basically look like this. Now if you want to full it, the other part, you can also do it. Wait, I'll show you. Here you go. So the next eye look I would like to show you is the last but not the least, the tiger eye one, which is basically a dramatic look, and it goes with every style. Basically with always the party style, it would look chic on everybody. Let me show you how to do it. If you have learned how to draw the liner, you just need to fill in the corners, fill in the inner corners now. So it will give you the tiger eye look, just like this. Just like this, look. So finally the tiger eye look will look like this. But whenever you're drawing the inner corner, make sure you stretch your eye towards the nose like this, so it will give you a perfect look, and then you can create it perfectly. That's all for today. Okay, so here I'm done with all my looks. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons below. Hope you guys like it. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. I love you.